After the point cloud optimization is completed, you can use CoPre's clipping function to cut out the point cloud data we don't need. Click Display Trajectory to load the point cloud data. Then select the clipping function in the 3D view. The rectangular selection allows you to draw a rectangle to select the point cloud. And the polygonal selection enables you to freely draw a polygon to select the point cloud. If you accidentally make a wrong selection, you can use the deselection function to restore the selected point cloud. Internal clipping can cut out the point cloud within our selected range, while external clipping can cut out the point cloud outside our selected range. Clicking Save will save the clipped results in the point cloud. If you don't click Save, the clipping results will not be applied to the current data.